It's been pretty rocky today. And I'm losing my enthusiasm a little bit. But I still have one mandarin and I'm saving it. Well, I haven't seen any boats for a while. I don't know if this was a good idea. And it's starting to rain. Maybe, I think it's still really helpful, you know? Just feeling a bit stupid that I did this. And hang on, I just have the oars. Hang on, sorry. Put this down. There's just nothing. It's really freaking boring, actually. I was trying to be authentic, so I didn't bring it much with me. I don't even know what to say because it's boring. There's nothing to say. It's sea and it's sky and it's no food and it's me talking to myself. I've been trying to come up with some scenes on the boat, but I don't really feel like making theatre right now. I actually really feel like doing a wee right now, but it's something else that's a little bit problematic. Well, it's not, it's just really, it's cold, and environmentally I'm not sure if it's a nice thing to do in the ocean. And when there's big waves, I'm kind of sick of having wet feet. It'd be really awesome to go to a yoga class right now. But still trucking.